found this place through Instagram and I'm here to get my teeth whitened today. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to get some really good results. It's really close to my hotel that I'm staying at. It's a really central location, and also as on entry the staff are really friendly, and it seems so clean and I feel really safe and in capable hands, so I can't wait to see the results of my teeth. Myra Dental Clinic 5 days after I've had my treatment for whitening, and I am so happy with the results. My confidence has gone through the roof and I am so pleased with it all. I went to stage 6 of the treatment. It was a little bit painful, but the results are just so worth the pain, and I'm just so happy with the results. Like, I genuinely can't get over them. They gave me the mirror and I was just in complete shock. But I just want to say a massive thank you to the whole Myra Dental team for looking after me during the process. They've all been so friendly and so helpful, and if you're looking to get your teeth done in Turkey, I would definitely recommend it.